If clients keep sending you $20 for a full website offers, you're in the right place. I'll show you 9 simple moves to dodge lowball clients on Upwork so your inbox fills with people who respect your rate. I've scaled my freelance rate to $100 an hour and built a full-time income here with long-term clients and real freedom. And yes, this works even if you're just starting. There is a new trap most beginners fall into, thinking cheap jobs build momentum. They don't. Cheap jobs attract cheaper jobs. But here is the twist. We're not going to fight lowballers. We're going to make them auto-filter themselves out, while better clients lean in. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. My mission is simple: help you get paid what you're worth without sending 100 proposals a day. I've done this for myself. Went from average $20 an hour starter jobs to premium steady work. And I'm going to give you the exact filter, scripts, and mindset that flip the switch for me. Step 1. Fix your storefront. Your title and first 2 lines of your profile overview are a price anchor. Ask, would a serious buyer not at this? Lead with the outcome, not the task. I built fast conversion ready Shopify stores that pay back in weeks, beats Shopify developer title. And the top snippet with a mini qualifier. I work best with decisive founders and clear goals. Lowballers hate that word decisive. Good clients love it. Step 2. Put up gates. Use Upwork project sizes. Add 2 pre-qualifiers, timeline and budget range. Ask what revenue result will make this a win. People who says it's just a few clicks are telling you they see zero value. Pass. People who can't state a number, that's your lane. Step 3. Spot the red flags. Phrases like easy job for an expert, quick fix, trial for $5, or we will pay more later almost always end in scope creep. Another big one, we need you online all day, our time for a $50 job. No, except for those who've just started. If you're searching for a way to find your first project on Upwork, watch my other video. Also be aware of the potential for bargaining after you make a proposal. If they say, can you do it for half? Your answer is, I can do half the scope for that. Which leads to, later in this video I'll give you my word-for-word reply that shuts down low offer and keeps respect high. Don't miss it. Step 4. Sell slices, not your soul. If they're nervous about budget, offer a small paid discovery. For $200, I map the exact fix, timeline, and risks. You own the plan. Serious clients love clarity. Lowballers vanish. Quick win right now. Set a momentum floor. Decide the lowest fixed price or hourly you will accept. Then never cross it. I crossed $20 an hour early on and moved up by delivering trust first and money second. Your floor protects your focus. I'm new on YouTube and your support means a lot. If you're getting value, subscribe while you watch. It helps me grow faster and bring you more freelancing tips. I also made a free guide to grow your freelance income. The link is in the description. Step 5. Use milestone math. Low budgets feel scary because they're wedge. Break project into milestones with acceptance criteria. For example, milestone 1, audit plus plan, $200, deliverables, loom, walkthrough, checklist, timeline. When the plan is clear, cheap clients either upgrade or disappear. Step 6. Proof beats pleading. Put 3 tiny case notes at the top of your profile. Edited ad copy plus 20% CTR. Fixed checkout bug plus $10K revenue. Homepage redesign minus 10% bounce. Even placeholders help you remember to swap in real wins later. Clients buy outcomes, not hours. Step 7. Buy your no. Lowballers smell fear. Build or start building a small financial cushion so you can turn down the wrong work without panic. With a cushion, you wait for profitable, interesting projects instead of working for food. That's the quiet superpower of successful freelancers. Okay, here is the promised script for low offers. Copy this. Thanks for reaching out. To hit your goal reliably, the scope needs from X to Y hours. I can do it two ways. First, full solution at $8 with milestones and warranty, or second, a smaller paid discovery for B dollars to map the fastest, safest path. Which option fits your timeline? Notice what I didn't do. I didn't justify my worth. And I didn't argue. I gave a potential path forward and a respectful exit. Final piece, protect your pipeline. Apply to fewer posts but better ones. Target clients with clear briefs, verified spend, and reviews that mention communication. Open your proposal with 2 lines audit. I looked at X, it's likely Y, causing Z. Here is how I'd prove in 24 hours. Then ask one sharp question. Sharp questions signal seniority, lowballers back off. Here is the summary. Anchor your value upfront, add gates, filter with red flags, sell paid discovery, use milestone math, show tiny proof wins, and keep a cushion so you can say no. Do this and lowball clients stop being a problem. They just stop showing up. If you want to know about a specific question in detail, don't hesitate to write it in the comments. I read every. If you want to go deeper on finding better clients, watch this next. The secret to finding high-paying clients on Upwork. It pairs perfectly with everything we covered here.